Hi children, in this video, chapter 11, exercise number 8, we are going to see with the topic half, quarter and 3/4. So using these half, quarter and 3/4 fractions, we are going to use with the meter and centimeter units, and we are going to see how to convert that units. So here half, quarter and 3/4 in fractions, how we used to write. Generally, for example, if you take for example, if I treat this figure as a one whole, okay, one whole which is divided into 4 equal parts. If I am dividing it is 4 parts. Okay, so now if I take this part, the first part, what we will say? 1/4. Because totally 4 parts from this one part. See, if I include the second part also, it is 2/4. Then if I include third part, it is 3/4. If I include the fourth part also, it is 4/4, which is equal to 1 whole. Okay, so what happens when this 2/4? 2/4 means this 2 part, no? If you see this 2/4, it is exactly half of 1 whole. So this 2/4 can also be told as 1/2, which is half. Okay, and this 3/4 is there, no? This 3/4, you will say it as 3/4. And this 1/4, you'll call it as quarter. Okay, so here I'm going to use a value. For example, treating this line. For example, I'm telling, treating this line, if it is a 100, okay, just we'll treat it as 100. If I'm dividing this 100 into 4 equal parts, okay, 100 divided by 4, what happens? 100 divided by 4 gives 25. Okay, when the 100 is divided into 4, each part will have 25. That means now I am going to divide this line into 4 parts. So from here to here, one part. From here to here, second part. Here to here, third part. Here to here, fourth part. So here, from here to here, this part, the first part is called as 1/4. The second part, you will call it as 2/4, which is also equal to 1/2. The third part, you will call it as 3/4. The fourth part, 4/4. Okay, so now each part has 25, 25, 25. So in fractions also I told, each part how much it will consist also I told. So now the 1/4 is there, no? Quarter, how much it does hold with 100? It has 25. So 1/4 is equal to 25. So now comes to 2/4, which is equal to half. So what happens? Here the first part 25, the second part also having 25. So 25 plus 25, you will get 50. So that is 2/4, or also it is called as 1/2, which has the value 50. That is 100. If you divide into half, what you will get? 50, no? So that is what here. Now 3/4. So here 3/4 means 3 parts. So how much 3 parts? If you add together, what you will get? 25 plus 25 plus 25, you will get 75. So that 3/4 is equal to 75. So 4/4 is nothing but 1 whole, which is equal to 100. Because each part has 25, 25, 25, 25. If you add all these 4 25, you will get 100. Okay, so here with this value of 100, I told you, no, the same if I have for 1000. Okay, when the 1000 is divided into 4 parts, what you will get? Each part will have the value of 250. Yes, no? So when the 1000 is divided into 4 equal parts, you will get each part has 250 value. So what will be the 1/4? Like this, 1/4. Each part will have 250. So the 1/4 will have 250. The first part will have 250. What happens with this 2/4? 2/4 is half. So half means, what is the half of 1000? 500. Which is the first part and second part equals, no? That is first part, second part combined, adding, no? 250 plus 250 you will get 500. So next 3/4. So 3/4 means adding 3 parts. That is first part, second part, third part. 250 plus 250 plus 250 you will get 750. Okay. So using these values only we are going to use the sums. So with the exercise sum, 2 1/2 meter, we have to convert them with the meter and centimeter. So we are going to split and we are going to write it. So with the whole value is in meter. So first I'll just split it. 2 meter plus 1/2 meter. So if I split 2 meter plus 1/2 meter. So what is this 1/2 meter? So this 2 meter, that is 1/2 meter is a half meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half meter means 50 centimeter. Right? So here 2 meter plus, instead of 1/2 meter we can write 50 centimeter. So now this 2 meter we are going to write here and this 50 centimeter we are going to write here. Okay. So with this next sum, 5 1/4 meter is equal to dash meter and dash centimeter. So here meter and centimeter again we are going to split. So 5 meter plus 1/4 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half a meter is equal to 50 centimeter. So what happens when 1/4 meter? 25 centimeter. So here instead of this 1/4 we are going to use this 25. So 5 meter plus 25 centimeter. So that now 5 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, we'll see with one more example. So here express as fraction. So here if you see, they have given the value, we have to convert them in fraction. 5 meter 50 centimeter, we have to write it in meter. Okay, so here this 5 meter is already in meter. So we just want to convert this 50 centimeter into meter. So we can use this fraction mode. They have asked us to write in the fraction mode only. So 5 meter, 5 we are going to write as it is. This 50, no, that alone we are going to write it in fraction. So 50 centimeter is nothing but what? Half, that is half a meter, no? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half a meter is equal to 50 centimeter. So this 50 centimeter can be written as half a meter. So 5 1/2 meter is the answer. So here again 3 kilometer 250 meter, we are going to write it in kilometer. So 3 kilometer is already in kilometer. This 250 meter alone we are going to convert into kilometer. So that is as fraction we are going to present it. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay, so that what will be half kilometer? 500 meter. So here if it is half is 500 means what about 1/4 kilometer is equal to 250 meter. So instead of this 250 meter, we are going to use this fraction. So that 3 kilometer 1 by 4 kilometer combining. So that we got 3 1 by 4 kilometer as an answer. Okay. So hope you have understood. Thank you children.